Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you the difference between the Angular copy and classical assignment. So what's the basic difference between them? So I'm showing by this snippet I have. So as you can see, there are two forms, form and master. So form is basically the user data we are getting from the view. So if I add something here, and click save, what it does is that it calls the object function update and passes our object user, which assigns this user to our master object. So basically it's assigning the value to the master using a classical way of assignment operator. And in this operation we are also adding a new attribute that is named as new attribute with value temporary. So it will be visible in master. So let's see what happens when we add a copy an object via using a classical method. So let's click save, and as you can see, the new attribute and all the data has been copied into temporary master. But as you can see there, the data has been copied into both the objects, form and master. This is due to the two-way binding property of Angular JS. So to prevent this property, we will use the method of Angular JS called angular.copy. So what will I do this? I'll uncomment the normal method and comment our classical way, and let's see what happens. Again I'm adding data, and as you can see, once I added the data, the new attribute is only reflected in the master but not in the original value. So as you can see, copy accepts two parameters. One is the source and other is the destination. So this will be helpful for understanding for the Angular copy versus the classical assignment operator. Thank you for watching. This is Sandeep signing off.